So the part of the 21st century, obviously we are familiar with the 3D things. So even we like to play games and everything. So the CS students have done a very different type of project, which is like very interesting. So let us take a tour with their projects.
Hello friends, I'm Sandeep Kumar and my friend Mona Lisa Patra and Siddhant Lingraj Nayak and Sandeep and Sudeep Sahu. We have done 5 projects in Unity, and we make our own assets and models in Blender and Maya, and for to develop our own game in VR. And like this is the model, like this is the centrifuge, and in Unity we make our own environment like this. We have make some, these are the only assets what we have made, and these are the projects what we have done in Unity 3D software.
I am Mona Lisa Batra. As my friend Sandeep says, we all work as a team. We both, Sandeep and me, work in 3 projects. First one is polyhouse and integrated farming, then biofertilizer lab. All these 3 projects are done on the purpose of education for students, poor farmers, and those who are interested to learning farming for them. Here some models we have created for the projects are this one is microscope we have created in Blender and imported in Unity, and here the biofertilizer lab which we have created. Now is some models. This is on Gabira flower which we have created for polyhouse, and here some samples of other plants. And thank you. Now my friend Siddhant will say about his project.
I'm Siddhant. He is my friend Lingraj. We are making the transformer 3D model. So the concern is like why we use the transformer 3D model and what is the use of this. So before going to the real transformer, we are making this 3D model so that we can play in VR. So the ITI student or the person who want to study the transformer can show the VR transformer, and this can use for the education purpose. So here is the sample of the transformer. So we are animating the transformer. So the all part are disconnecting and attaching. This is like this. We can show this how the transformer look like. Here is some sample of the transformer. This is the tank. This is the conservator tank. This is the cooling plate. So this is and this is the boost. This is helpful for the ITI student and the person who want to know what is the transformer is. So this is all about the transformer, and this is the transformer lab. We made it. We make 3 transformer, and this is how the transformer look like. Now my friend Lingraj will describe what is the transformer lab.
As my friend Siddhant said, we are making the transformer project. So what we are basically doing is, first of all, we took the image of real transformer parts. Then we understood the concept of transformer, how it works. Then we made all the individual parts in Blender and make them as similar as to the real parts. So you can look, the parts are similar to the real parts, and we also took notes how transformer works, so we can explain it in details about how a real transformer works.
Hello everybody, my name is Sudeep and my friend Sandeep is helping me to make our project. As Sandeep said, we have made 5 projects in Unity. This is our project, Connect Temple in 3D view. We used to make this temple in Blender. We first made this object in Blender, then put it in Unity. We take the reference images from Google, and we put the images for the texturing part on the objects, and you can see this is our project in Blender. This is the project in Unity. By through Unity, you can see it in VR. You can experience the virtual temple in it.